Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are on rain.gg today. We have 1000 coins to play with, and before I start this video, if you yourself want to play on rain, all you gotta do is head over to deposit. Right here you apply code Vaulty. If you do so, you will automatically join our 300 coin weekly leaderboard, as well as you will get a 5% deposit bonus on your first deposit, so don't miss that out. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. I think we're gonna start off with running some battles. Yesterday when I was live at Kick, I ran the balance up to 6k, so let's try to do that in today's video as well. So if we see at least one spin through this battle, I think it should be guaranteed at least money back. So that is a super good start. This is at least 500 coins if we get the M4 masterpiece. Hopefully we can get something better. Okay, that's better. That's 800, I think. 800. Yeah, 800. We take it, we take it. Stop. Okay, but now we hit. Okay. It's actually looking good. Show us a gold here as well, please. Stop on that. Ah. Okay, how much is that? That's only 200, okay. Symbiosis. Okay, no hit. Last case is also a 5%er. Hopefully we could see a hit here on the enemy team. Nah. 50-50 chance. Blue or red. Show us blue or red. That's us. That's us all day, boys. Not the craziest profit, but we still take it. It paid 336 coins, so 148 profit. I'm hunting for this triple jackpot to hit. I know it's gonna hit soon. I know that shit is hitting soon. So let's try to go here. Let's do, you know what, I'm gonna throw 100 coins. Let's throw the other 48.61 over here at bait, because if this hits only a 10x, that's fucking 1k. Now all we gotta see is the spin. Show us the spin. Oh, nah, too fast, a bit too fast. Could have been bait, but no. Know what? Actually, I think we're gonna try to run this Vaulty cook that I know someone of you, Bexo, made it. Yeah, the nuke. This is Bexo. This is a super good call out. It costs 200 coins, 4-way battle. If you win this, usually pays more than 1.2k. So it's crazy terminal. We don't care. Now we want everyone to hit in the beginning. It's only the last case that we don't want to hit. So in the last, absolute last case, we want to hit the op pit viper it is. Stop. But we need to see some spins, otherwise it's not gonna pay. Okay, there's the first one. And this case, it's decent as well. If we get a gold here, it's good. Go down. Nah. Okay, that's only 77 coins. We need better hits than that. Come on. Jack O-Lantern, give us the Negev. Okay. We've gotten the Negev before, please do it. 2.8k hit. Show it to me. I saw it roll by, but this is also like 250 or 300, I think. Yeah, 250. Which is decent, I guess. But now there's only 2 cases left. Cotton candy, let's see. Okay. Good. Okay, how much is that? How much? 300. Okay, now up. We need a up. We need up. Now we lost this bot 12-1. Fuck. 45 coins. It paid 700. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna do it again. Such a good battle for making money. Okay. We hit on the 10% gloves this time. Okay, there's the hit, there's the hit. Ah, imagine the M4. How much are the gloves? 155. Only 155. Okay, but he hits again. Okay, that should be around 200, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Not paying that much. Really not paying that much yet. Last case now. Give us the op. That's all we need. Give us the op, give us the op, give us the op. Nah, we lost. We lost again. What the fuck? 500 didn't even pay that good this time. Want to hit this triple jackpot. Can it just happen now? Ah, no way. Nowhere near. 300. Let's do this one. Crazy ass fucking battle. Only 1%ers and three 1%ers and 3 5%ers. This shit might not even hit. To be honest, I don't think it will, but if it do hit, we're gonna make some money. Come on, why is it loading this much? Don't do this. Don't you do this to me. Okay, okay, okay. Now. Okay. No. Next case, please just hit. Nah. Go down. Okay, there's the hit at least. But they're gonna have a lot more percentage because they hit the 0.34 stickers. Which is not good. Stop. Nah, and we get an ass hit. How much is that? There's only 600. Nah, fully loop needs to hit. Last case. Stop. No. Can we at least win this? We won't even make money back. Yeah, nice. We do win. We do win 200. You know what? I think I'm gonna run this shit back actually. We are running that battle back. Oh no! Why is it baiting like that? Why is it baiting like that? Oh, melody case, do it. Ah, it baits again. It fucking baits again. Nah. And now we're not seeing any hits instead. Trap case. Nah, it's up to fully looped. It's up to fully looped and I don't know if we will see it happen. Nah, holy shit. There's one hit here on the side, please. No. Why is it not happening? Give us one little hit. Last case. Last case, just one hit. Nah, it baits instead. Why does it do this? Watch us win this as well. Yeah, of course we're winning when there's nothing to win. Ah, we did get 20 back. We have 25 coins. Let's put it all on rain. All 25 on rain. Maybe it can hit. Maybe it can hit. Let's see. Nah, that's nowhere near hitting. Yeah. Boys, we didn't win shit today, but thank you so much for watching today's video. If you yourself want to play on Rain, head over to deposit, apply code Vaulty. If you do so, you join the 300 coin weekly leaderboard, and we will see you boys in the next video.